Hello everyone, this is Weather Indication 2-Second Studio, mainly engaged in PP5168G's original data development. Today, I bring you a modified watch of PP5168G Avocado Green Grenade. This is also a custom-made watch. To customize such a watch, in fact, the green of the PP5168G Avocado Grenade is a very special green. Its green is a deep green. That is to say, the dial inside this green is very special. The green dial on the market, avocado green dial, is very different. A slightly knowledgeable boss can tell at a glance that there is something wrong with the dial. The purpose of customizing a watch like this is to be closer to the original. We use CNC original data to develop and make it. To make its case, the buckle, dial, the hands, the calendar, and the movement. Through post-modification and customization, we can achieve a closer resemblance to the original. It will make people more confident when wearing it. In fact, for this watch, the original one is made of 18-karat white gold. Our green grenade is also made of real 18-karat white gold. To make it, which can achieve the same material, the same weight and color and texture. As usual, let's weigh it together. Let's weigh the total weight of this watch. As you can see, the total weight of this watch is 133 grams. This weight is the original weight, which is exactly the same. We used a real precious metal material to make it, to achieve such a weight. In fact, for a watch like this, the weight of each watch are different. Only precious metal watches will have a certain weight. 4 ordinary grenades on the market are mostly steel shells plated with electroplating. Their weight is very light, which is dozens of grams lighter. Such a weight aspect is a good measure, a good way to measure a precious metal watch. In fact, the accessories on its surface, such as the dial, strap, pointer, and calendar, are all developed and customized with original data. The accessories used, I will compare them for you. Let's take a look. The difference between our grenade and the regular markets. The color difference of the dial. The color difference is very big. This color is obviously very different from the original. The original one is this color. And its strap. What does the strap on the market look like? It's like this. The difference in the strap is also very big. It is said that our modified and customized watches, we will try our best to restore the original colors and texture. As for the movement of this watch, our movement has been remodified and upgraded. It's modified to be uncalibrated, and then the deck has been engraved with gold. The dial is made of real 18-karat gold. It's an automatic rotor. Like this movement is infinitely close to the original, a double P12-4 movement. There are also comparison photos of the movement. Let me show you. You can take a look. The top one is a non-calibrated movement, and the bottom is the ordinary 32-4. As you can see, first, the ordinary 3-2-4 movement is a card degree. It has fast and slow adjustments, and its balance is a copper balance. The real original one is without a card, is a structure without card. The balance is a 18-karat gold balance. On the dial, our dials have been repolished and re-engraved, but the common market is printed on it. That is to say, the modified movement will be closer to the original. This is the purpose and meaning of modified watches, so that people won't feel embarrassed when wearing it. But our case is truly made with CNC, developed based on the original data. As you can see, its brushed surface is very delicate, and the polishing treatment is also very good, including such a chamfering and polishing treatment. Like the Thunderbolt, it is a very thin watch, and its thickness can also be consistent with the original. The button, the buckles like this. The Calatrava logo is engraved very clearly. Open the buckle and take a look at the engraving. Look at the engraving inside the button. PP, as in the full spelling, in terms of such details, are all very good. This is it, a PP5168G Avocado Grenade. It's made of 18-karat solid gold developed with white gold precious metal to customize a whole watch. Share, if you like this watch. Don't forget you can also contact Chan